Okay, continuing on here with our December 14th transaction, we are writing off the account for Fisher Industries. So we're going down to our allowance for uncollectible accounts. This is on the 14th. G15 again. This is going to be a debit for the 1,360. And again, because this is a debit, we are subtracting here. So we take our balance and subtract out 1,360. And we're down to a balance of $250.47 in our allowance for uncollectible accounts. We come back up and we put 1135 in as our account number, and we're going to do the same thing to accounts receivable in Fisher Industries. So we open up accounts receivable first. This is on the 14th. G15, a credit of 1,360. So again, we're subtracting here 33,685 cents and minus 1,360. And our new balance is $32,240.85. And we come back up and put our account number in here, 30//. And we also need to do the same thing for Fisher Industries. So we open, excuse me, Fisher here. This is on December 14th. G15. It is a credit of 1,360. So that means that we're zeroed out there. Our account number again is 110. So we come up and put that in. And last but not least, on December 16th, we received a payment in full from Horn Company. So again, this is a two-stepper. One, we have to reopen our Horn Company, and then we also have to record the fact that Horn Company actually paid us. So let's start with our accounts receivable. I keep forgetting the date, the 16th. G15, and this is a debit for 1,548. So because it is a debit, we're adding here. So we take our balance plus 1,548, and we are up to $33,788.85. And then we take our account number, do our /, and then we have to do the same thing to Horn Company, is reopen it back up. So again, this is on December 16th, G15. It's a debit of 1,048, which means we now have a debit balance in Horn Company's account of 1,548. I just want you to recognize at this point that if we didn't reopen the account, what we would do is we would be crediting it for 1,548, and then you would have a negative balance, which makes no sense. You can't have a negative balance. So in a customer account. So what we need to do is reopen it first, which is what we did, and then we can record the receipt of cash, which we'll do in just a second. So I put 120 in there, and then we also have to put it back into our allowance for uncollectible accounts. This is on the 16th, G15, 1,548, and we're going to add those. So we take 250 and 47 cents and 1,548, and we are up to a balance of $1,798.47 in our allowance for uncollectible accounts. And then we put our account number, which is 1135, back up in our post reference. And then our last step is to do the receipt of cash for Horn Company. So we open up Horn Company. Again, this is on the 16th, except that our post reference is for CR24 because we're coming from our cash receipts journal. And we do credit it for the amount that's shown in our accounts receivable credit column, which means that we are zeroed out again for Horn Company. And then we put our account number up in here. Just notice that they don't ask us up here because all it says is to post the cash receipt journal lines. It doesn't tell us to post our total. So there shouldn't be any spot for you to post for accounts receivable. You'll notice that it's full because all we were doing was posting our general journal and then our 2 lines in our cash receipts journal. So that is the end of our 14-2 work together. You can head on over and do your 14-2 on your own.